webinar because it was full. So we thought we'll have another webinar for people who have missed it. So please enjoy the session and take a deep breath in before we start the session. Take a deep breath in. Take breathe in from the navel and leave it on the sides of the rib cage. Take a deep breath in. Close your eyes before we start this beautiful session. Has everybody taken a deep breath in? Please answer in the chat box. I can't see any answers, so that we continue. Just take a deep breath in. I'll tell you why you need to take a deep breath in. Why is deep breathing so important? Okay, now can somebody tell me, is deep breathing connected with pain? Is it connected with pain? How is it connected with pain? Is it important to breathe deeply? क्या जरूरी है कि आपको सांस गहरी लेनी है? उससे क्या पेन में फर्क पड़ता है? Okay. किस तरह से फर्क पड़ता है? How does breathing help you in pain? Anybody? Okay, now I'll explain to you. क्या होता है जब आप deep breathing करते हो? The oxygen helps. Okay. Okay. So what happens when we take a deep breath in? Your parasympathetic nervous system is relaxing. कभी हमें दर्द होता है. Whenever we feel pain, what happens? Immediately the nervous system starts giving signal. तो nervous system को relax करने के लिए you need to take a deep breath in. Okay, so very important. आप सुबह उठते ही सांस लेते हो, सांस को ऑब्जर्व करें. प्लीज ऑब्जर्व योर ब्रेथ. Everybody is breathing, but how many of us are breathing deeply, deep and long breaths? Very important in times of pandemic. Everybody knows the lung condition needs to improve anyway. So if you deep breathe in, your problems other than the lungs also get solved. So we will start our deep breathing and a long breath. No shallow breaths and no short breaths. Okay? Is everybody with me? Give a thumbs up. Let me see a thumbs up from everybody. सब लोग सो गए क्या? सब लोग मेरे साथ हैं? How many people are with me? So it seems everybody agrees with me, or some people don't agree with me. Okay, seems a lot of people are agreeing with me. Okay. Okay. Yes, excellent. सब लोग जाग गए. सब लोग जाग गए. Okay. It's okay. Stop it. Now, how many of y'all are taking painkillers? How many of y'all are taking painkillers for your knee pain? कितने लोग painkiller ले रहे हैं? How many? Can you all write in the chat box how many people are taking painkillers? Okay, no sound. How many people are not getting sound? Please. Okay. Can everybody hear me? Everybody's on. Can everybody hear me? Okay. Okay. So I think many people are taking painkillers now. Why we are in this session, the medical knee yoga. Okay. Some people are without painkiller also. That is very good. But painkiller लेने से क्या होती है? What are the effects long term that you have when you take painkillers? Can anybody tell me? Can you all write in the chat box? Okay. It's temporary. I need to deal with it. Excellent. I like the attitude. I love the attitude of Pratisha. She says, I need to deal with it. I will not take painkillers. That is a promise to yourself, but sometimes we cannot do without a painkiller, right? Okay, it affects the liver. Excellent. It affects the liver. Long term, आपको और chronic diseases हो जाता है, और जब आपको painkiller की जरूरत है, तो painkiller काम नहीं करता है. Right? So what are we supposed to do when we do medical knee yoga? What exactly are we focusing on? Okay? जब मेडिकल नी योगा हम लोग बोलते हैं तो नी के ऊपर हमारा फोकस है. वी फोकस ऑन पर्टिकुलर सिलेक्टिव मसल्स. ओके, सिलेक्टिव मसल्स पे फोकस करते हैं जिसको हमें स्ट्रेंथन करना है और स्ट्रेच करना है. बराबर. आप लोग सब ने एलोपैथी लिया है, आई सपोज, राइट? We all have tried allopathy. Did you get any cure from allopathy? Was it temporary, or is it giving you any relief, or is it creating more problems for you? Please write in the chat box. For how many of y'all it is creating more problems? For how many of y'all it is a temporary relief? More issues. Okay. Jaya writes more issues. Temporary and causes swelling of feet. Okay. So what happens? When we are looking at alternative methods, the conservative way of dealing with pain, तो क्या होता है? We are looking at other than allopathy. People who are here, they are probably, and I think I'm sure they believe in the alternative methods because they are not getting any kind of relief from the allopathy way of dealing with pain, right? And we are all here so that we don't want to create any further problems for ourselves other than whatever is already there. So now, how many, we all know that knee pain and the total joint pain issues has increased twofold to threefold than what it used to be in the 80s and the 90s. Can anybody tell me what is the reason for that? How many of you all are, in yesterday's session, there were people who were suffering from knee pain from the age of 28. A tender age of 28, and people have started suffering from knee pain as early as that. The youth are suffering from it. Lifestyle and obesity. Yes, lifestyle and obesity. Sedentary lifestyle. Yes. Okay. So how many of y'all agree with me that we are not eating right? How many of y'all agree with me? We are not eating right, we are not exercising right. Okay? क्या होता है ना, everybody is into yoga. I think most of you all know about yoga thanks to Ramdev Baba. He's introduced yoga to all we Indians and everybody knows about yoga. But how many of us are doing yoga mindfully? How many of us, Shanti Babu, you need to check your internet connection. How many of y'all are not getting the sound? Can you check? The sound nahi mil raha. How many of y'all are not getting the voice? No audio? Okay, so some people are not getting, because at my end the internet connection seems fine. Okay. Okay, getting. So now people have started getting. So, you know, I mean, we can't help certain things, the network connection. So I apologize for that. So what were we talking about? We were talking about why the joint pain, the knee pain, back pain has increased threefold and among the youth, which was the disease of the senior citizens or post 60 after retirement. It is now the disease of the youth. Why is it so? People have already answered. It's a sedentary lifestyle and it's the no exercise and it's the food that we are eating, the environment, lot of factors into account. So what happens? There are certain things we cannot help. The environment we cannot help. The food that we are eating, we can help to a great extent. क्या होता है? All of us are taking milk and cheese and to, you know, for our calcium intake. Everybody knows that the calcium content should be fine. But do we know whether the calcium is getting absorbed properly? How many of us know whether the calcium is getting absorbed properly? Do we have any clue कि calcium हमारे body में absorb हो रहा है या नहीं हो रहा है? How many of us are aware about it? Please write in the chat box. कभी ना कभी सब लोगों ने करवाया है या करवाएंगे बोन डेंसिटी टेस्ट, तो आपको पता चलता है कैल्शियम कंटेंट क्या है आपके बॉडी में, अब्जॉर्प्शन हो रही है. Okay, some people have to take text. So we don't know whether the calcium is getting absorbed or not. But we are taking lots of paneer, we are taking lots of milk, lots of dahi. तो क्या करना है आपको? जब आपको कैल्शियम अब्सॉर्ब करना है उसके लिए दो चीज इज नेसेसरी, मैग्नीशियम एंड विटामिन डी, द सन बाथ. Okay, so I think most of us know about the sun bath part, but there are certain things in which vitamin D is there, and that is mushroom and the A2 milk. Okay, Chitra, can you please check your net connection, because most people are getting the sound, so you need to check your net connection. Please check your net connection. Okay, so please note down whatever I'm saying and start these things. Mushrooms and A2 milk give you vitamin D. Now, why is magnesium necessary? Magnesium आपके A2 milk is the A2 milk है देसी गाय का दूध. Okay, the price of A2 milk is double the normal milk, which is 70-80 rupees a liter. In Pune, you have to check in wherever you're staying. I have muted the audio because yesterday we were having a lot of disturbance. So I've muted it, but you should be able to hear me. Okay, net is okay. Net is okay then. Then why is it not that you're not able to hear? Okay. What about the rest? Is everybody able to? Yes, Pride of Cow is A2 milk. There are lots of brands, so you need to check in the market and you will get the quality that you want. Okay, so the thing is, we need to incorporate magnesium and vitamin D in our diet so that your calcium is getting absorbed. Abhi kya hota hai, when we are eating, we need to be aware about what we are eating. Okay, why we need to be aware about what we are eating? क्योंकि आपको वो कोई चीज नहीं खानी है जिससे आपको acidity होती है. What happens in an acidic body? A disease survives. Disease को आपके body में रहने के लिए it needs an acidic environment. Now, how do we know whether the body is getting acidic or not? Okay, we need to be aware about food that we are eating. हो सकता है आपको एक चीज से acidity होती है, मुझे नहीं होती है. So it's not the same rule for everybody. So you need to assess कि कौन सी चीज खा के आपको acidity हो रही है. What happens when you're taking right amount of calcium? Everything is fine. To maintain the pH level, which is 7.4, the calcium from the bones is taken out and given to the blood. वो blood में चला जाता है. तो आपके bones में calcium नहीं रहा. क्यों नहीं रहा? क्योंकि body acidic होती है. तो the changes have to be made to maintain the homeostasis. That is very, very important. Now, how to get magnesium? Magnesium आपको nut से मिलेगा. You will get it from all the seeds. जैसे आपको sunflower seeds है, pumpkin seeds है, flax seed है. So incorporate these small changes in your diet. It will make a lot of difference. Okay. How many? Okay, tell me something. Is dehydration connected with joint pain, muscle pain? Is dehydration connected with joint pain? Yes, eat more seeds in your daily diet. Is dehydration connected with muscle pain? Can anybody tell me? Yes. Yes, it is. Okay. So how many liters of water do we take? How many liters of water? Can somebody answer in the chat box? How many? 2 liters, 5 liters? Very good. Okay. So why you need to take water? Water transports the nutrients to your muscles. आपको muscle cramps, बहुत लोगों को रात को muscle cramps होता है, that is dangerous, right? So you need to have a good content of water in your diet so that the cramps don't happen. तो कल से ही हम शुरू करेंगे जिनको होता है cramps. आप सिर्फ एक simple सा उपाय है, आप पानी पीना शुरू करें. I know this is the winter time, but we still need to drink a lots of water. Okay, so simple things. We will not make our body acidic. We will make our body alkaline so that the calcium is not taken out from the bones and put in the blood, and the joint pain is there. So foods, कैसा food आपको खाना है? Now somebody is asking me, Jaya ji is asking me, which foods are alkaline? So can somebody answer which foods are alkaline? Does anybody among the participants know which foods are alkaline? Okay, so I'll answer. So foods which are alkaline is broccoli, fruits, vegetable जो seasonal और regional चीजें हैं वो सब खाइए. You don't need to eat something which is not grown in your region, right? अभी जैसे संतरा आ रहा है, आप संतरा खा सकते हो. Anything that is available to you conveniently, you can eat. You don't need to hunt somewhere for some extra food which is being marketed by somebody. Yes, bottle guard is very good. Everything, start your day with a vegetable juice, okay, with microgreens. इससे आपकी बॉडी शुरू होगी alkalinity, okay. How many of us drink tea in the morning? Start our day with tea. कितने लोग दिन शुरू करते हैं चाय से? Anybody in the chat box? Be honest about it, no problem. Yes, cucumber is alkaline. All fruits and vegetables mostly make your body alkaline, okay. Okay, so most of us, I think Indians, we start our day with tea. So what does tea do to our body? Does it make our body acidic or alkaline? Does it make our body acidic or alkaline? Can anybody answer? Yes, it makes our body acidic. Coffee, tea, आप कुछ भी पीते हो, body acidic हो रही है. Okay, so what can we do? I'm not telling you totally, change your lifestyle, whatever you've been drinking for years, but please cut down on your tea and caffeine. Green tea is very good. In fact, green tea is excellent. You can take green tea. You can take आंवला. आंवला has rich content of vitamin C as well. और ठंडी के टाइम में आंवला, there is nothing like आंवला. Okay, so take lemon water, but please cut down on your tea and coffee. Especially आपको जो पेन हो रहा है, you don't need to go to any doctor. आप ये changes करिए, आपको खुद ब खुद changes समझ में आएगा. The changes that are happening. Yes, ginger, जो भी हमारे kitchen में whatever is available, the spices are very, very important. Ginger, turmeric, cinnamon. Cinnamon, in fact, is, they say, वो गरीबों का insulin है. It, takes you away from, takes the extra sugar from your body. So cinnamon is good in a lot of ways. So please try to understand what are we going to do tomorrow morning. Everybody, please write in the chat box, how do we start our day? Let's have a very interactive session, okay? क्या करना है आपको शुरू में? सुबह उठते ही क्या करना है? First, a deep breathing. Okay, is everybody with me? सब लोग शुरू करेंगे लंबी गहरी सांस लेके और फिर पिएंगे वेजिटेबल जूस, ग्रीन टी, जो भी आपके पास अवेलेबल है. यू डोंट नीड टू हंट फॉर एनीथिंग, ओके, बट उसमें माइक्रो ग्रीन्स ऐड करना है. यानी कि धनिया पत्ती, पुदीना पत्ती, जो भी आपको मिलता है, प्लीज ऐड इट. एंड little bit of cinnamon, make it tasty with nimbu, with some black salt, and drink it early in the morning, okay, and start your day. So we will see little changes in our own body, okay. So this is how we start our day. Now we again get back to the topic. I will show some one testimonial to you where people have benefited by medical knee yoga. So I'll just share that with you. Okay, can everybody see? Okay, so these are a few patients who have taken the medical knee yoga and have benefited in so many ways by it. Okay, so can everybody see the screen? I've shared the screen now. Can everybody see the screen? Please write in the chat box if you can't. Chat box. Please write in the chat box. Okay, so I assume everybody is able to see the screen. Okay, okay, now stop it. Okay, okay, okay. So everybody was able to share the screen. So these are a few examples of people who have attended the medical knee yoga sessions and have benefited by it. So we need to deal with it holistically. When we are doing medical knee yoga, we take into account a lot of things. We have diet, we have specific breathing exercises for joint pain. We focus on muscles. Now, when we are talking about the knee, it is not the knee that we are focusing on. We are focusing on the muscles which is there on the above the kneecap and below the kneecap, and we deal with it right from the ankle till the hips, right? तो अभी मेरे को एक बात बताइए, how many of us stand with one side tilted like this? How many of us stand like this? Can everybody see the video? How many of us stand like this? Some time or the other recollect. आप याद करें कि आप ऐसे खड़े होते हैं. कितने लोग ऐसे खड़े होते हैं? Just for a casual talk. Or if you're doing something, you're just standing or you're looking at your phone and standing like this. How many of us stand like this? Please write in the chat box. Okay. Okay. So some people do. Now what is happening? आप अगर एक side खड़े हो रहे हो, so what is happening? Your alignment is getting disrupted and your weight is getting on one side. Can you imagine that poor knee is taking your 50-60 kg of weight all alone and it's not sharing it with the other side. आप अगर left side ऐसे खड़े होके बातें कर रहे हो घंटों या फिर looking at your phone, the total pressure is getting deviated to the left hand side. Does everybody agree with me? Does everybody agree? Many do that, but as I have severe osteoarthritis, okay. So the thing is, जो आपको नी पेन है उसकी शुरुआत हुई है 20-25 साल पहले. Okay, if you're 50, it has started 20 or 25 when you were 20 or 25. Now you will say, but I didn't know about this and I did not have pain. You will not have pain because the body is adjusting. ये adjustments body खुद में करता है, आपको pain नहीं देता है जब तक it is giving up. It cannot take it anymore. When the alignment has the mechanical axis, जो line of gravity रहती है, वो बिगड़ गया है. आपका जो weight bearing axis है, that has got deviated. अपना when I talk about the weight bearing axis, it should be equally divided from in the left and the right side. That is what the God has designed us for. और हम लोग क्या करते हैं? Unknowingly, not that we are doing it consciously, because we are not aware about these things, and slowly the body gives up when it cannot do anymore. Now how many of us, when we are walking, we are putting our toes in the outer direction? How many of us walk with our toes in the outer direction? Or if you have observed people who are walking with toes in the outer direction? Can please write in the chat box a little. Okay. Yes. So now what is happening when you're walking with your feet in the outward direction? It is out of the hip width distance. आपका जो hip width distance है उससे बाहर निकल गया. तो क्या हुआ? Now we'll think what has happened. So what if we are walking like this? But what happens? Your hip is rotating externally. तो उससे क्या होता है? आपका knee भी rotate कर रहा है बाहर की तरफ. Are we designed that way? Do you think God has designed our legs to walk with toes facing outside? Can you imagine the distance between the heels and the distance between the big toe, how much it is? So what is happening? Total rotation हो रहा है. आपका hip rotate हो रहा है externally और आपका knee भी face कर रहा है externally. तो ऑब्वियसली आपका अलाइनमेंट गड़बड़ होना शुरू हो गया, और वो डे बाय डे, मंथ्स आफ्टर मंथ्स, years after years, and then we come with knock knees, bow legs, and lots of other problems which we all know about. तो जब आपको पता चलता है तब ऑलरेडी आपका पेन आ चुका है बिकॉज ऑफ दिस. सो व्हाट डू वी नीड टू डू? We need to do postural corrections. Postural correction means right from sitting to standing to sleeping, we need to change our ways. So if we start today by changing our ways, little things, you will feel the changes are happening in your body. That is what I mean by holistically changing. अब आप कैसे सोते हो? How many people sleep on their stomach? How many of you all sleep on your stomach? कितने लोग पेट के बल पे सोते हैं? Not on their backs. Sometimes I know it's very comfortable. Even I love sleeping, so I will not disagree to that. Okay, some people don't sleep sideways. Very good. So I think in most of my sessions, people say they love sleeping on their stomach. Okay, as I said, even I love sleeping on my stomach. It's very comfortable. बट क्या हो रहा है ना, आपका जो फेमर और नी कैप है उसमें टेंशन क्रिएट हो रहा है, जो अननोइंगली हो रहा है, आपको पता नहीं है इसके बारे में. यू डोंट नो एनीथिंग अबाउट इट, यू आर डूइंग इट इनोसेंटली बिकॉज यू आर कंफर्टेबल विथ इट. So everything that we are doing, we are comfortable with it. We have not got educated that these things are going to create problems in the long run. Okay, तो जब हम खड़े होते हैं, how we supposed to stand with our shoulders rolled back, spine को ऊपर की ओर उठाना है. How many of us always have our backs going for a holiday? कितने लोग काउच होके बैठते हैं? How many of us when we are sitting on the chair, हमारा spine जो है ना वो एक S के शेप में आता है? Are we designed that way? How should the spine be? How should the spine be? Please write in the chat box. It seems to alleviate the pain. Yes, it will alleviate the pain sometimes, but long term it's doing a lot of harm to you. Okay, yes, it should be straight. पर आप क्या कर रहे हो? When you're couching, imagine your spine. Everybody has seen the skeleton sometime, right? In your school days or whatever. तो क्या होता है, आपका जो स्पाइन है वो टेढ़ा हो गया. ओके, और अब अगर आप सीधा बैठते हो विथ योर शोल्डर्स रोल्ड बैक, आप देखोगे ब्रीदिंग में भी बहुत डिफरेंस है. ओके, so this is going to be your homework for today. After the session is over, take a deep breathe in, sitting straight, and couch and take a breathe. You will see the difference कि आपके breathe में कितना difference आता है. ओके, तो हम लोग शुरू करते हैं. जब हम लोग मेडिकल नी योगा के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, वी स्टार्ट विद द बेसिक्स ऑफ पोस्चरल करेक्शन. वॉकिंग, वी नीड टू वॉक विद आवर फीट्स पैरेलली आपको चलना है, फीट रखना है. द आउटर बॉर्डर शुड बी, जब आप योगा कर रहे हो, सब लोग किसी ना किसी फॉर्म का एक्सरसाइज करते हैं मोस्टली, तो आपको ध्यान रखना है कि योर फीट, द आउटर बॉर्डर शुड बी पैरेलल टू द मैट. राइट, आपको वेट कहाँ डालना है फीट पे? यू शुड पुट योर वेट just behind the big toe, the small toe and the heels. It's like a imaginary triangle. आपको वेट उधर डालना है, not totally on the heels or totally on the toes. Okay, another reason why the knee pain has become threefold is that we do not have any rough surface to walk. No rough surface to walk. आगे के लोग they used to, अभी हमारे पास टाइल्स है, मार्बल है, बहुत अच्छी फ्लोरिंग है, बट हमारे लिए प्रॉब्लम्स है. हम लोग खड़े होके काम करते हैं. पहले के लोग नीचे स्क्वाटिंग करके काम करते थे. Okay, so what used to happen, the knee exercise was happening automatically, but we don't do that anymore. We don't sit on the floor also. Most people can't sit on the floor at the young age of 30. They can't sit on the floor. So imagine आप 60-70 years जितना दिन जी रहे हो, आप नी पेन के साथ जी रहे हो. Is that a good idea? Don't you think we should take charge of it right now and even educate the youngsters as a preventive what you should do? You should be aware of your posture. अनलेस एंड अदरवाइज आप अवेयरनेस रखते हो, आपको प्रॉब्लम होना ही होना है. सो कॉन्शियसली यू शुड बी अवेयर अबाउट योर पोस्चर. जब भी आप बैठ रहे हो, शोल्डर्स को पीछे करना है. सिट अप स्ट्रेट. ओके, स्पाइन को सीधा रखें. नाउ वन विल से स्पाइन का क्या लेना देना है नी कैप से. आई विल एक्सप्लेन दैट. जैसे ही आपका स्पाइन टेढ़ा होता है तो आपके हिप्स जो है, हिप जॉइंट है, वो भी अलाइनमेंट गड़बड़ हो रहा है और धीरे धीरे प्रेशर आते 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 नी पे आता है. राइट? सो दिस इज द रीजन, जब आप हम नी पेन का एक्सरसाइज कराते, वी कैन नॉट फोकस ओनली ऑन द नी और ऑन द मसल्स, दैट इज द क्वाड्रिसेप मसल जो आपके नी के ऊपर है और नीचे वाली काफ मसल्स एंड द टिबिया. वी कैन नॉट फोकस ओनली ऑन दैट. वी हैव टू वर्क राइट फ्रॉम द फीट टिल द हिप्स. पूरे चीज पे आपको काम करना है, तभी योर नी पेन गेट्स डिक्रीज्ड. इट इज अ वेरी वेरी क्लियर थिंग. तो आप wherever you're doing yoga, you might be thinking, अरे नी के लिए तो एक्सरसाइज कर रहे हैं फिर भी कुछ नहीं हो रहा है. It will not happen unless and otherwise you work on it holistically. Keep your body alkaline. आपको धूप लेना है. Then you have to walk on the grass, walk on uneven surfaces. How many of you all wear closed shoes and sandals, and how many of you all just are not aware about whatever you find you wear? कितने लोग अवेयरनेस के साथ चप्पल जूते पहनते हैं? Do you think that has an impact on your knee pain? Please write in the chat box. How many of us are aware of the kind of shoes we should wear or the kind of closed shoes? Yes. For me, wearing slippers increase the pain. Yes. Now see, somebody is writing wearing slippers increase the pain. Now, I pick this point up. Why do wearing slippers increase the pain? क्यों slippers से pain increase होता है? Because आपका पीछे में the footing, when you are wearing closed shoes, the what should I say, at the behind of your, just above the heels, you're getting a support. So there is no pressure behind the knees, the popliteus muscle and the calf muscle. और अगर आप स्लीपर्स पहनते हो तो इमेंस प्रेशर आता है काफ मसल पे और नी के पीछे. ओके, सो इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट आप सॉफ्ट कुशनिंग के चप्पल पहनो. हश पपीज डॉक्टर्स को a lot of available in the market. Skechers is there, but please don't wear chappals and roam about. Either wear shoes or wear sandals, but it should be closed. Okay, so you need to understand these basic things. ठीक है, कितने लोग हम लोग बाहर जाते हैं, हम लोग, how many of us, you know, especially the ladies, we put a lot of makeup on our face and, you know, we are pampering our face, but do we ever think about the feet, that poor feet who's taking our entire weight? Are we even thinking कि बेचारे को थोड़ी सी तो, we need to be more aware about it and we need to pamper the feet. How many of us think that we need to pamper the feet? And that is far more important than pampering our face. Right? Okay. So the thing is, yes, some people think that pampering the feet is important. Most of us just think that pampering our face is important, putting a lot of makeup, looking good. But जब पेन होता है तो स्माइल भी चली जाती है. ओके, स्माइल भी चली जाती है तो क्या फायदा अगर if you're decorating your face and ultimately you're not able to keep yourself happy because of the pain. So please from today take care of your feet, because everything starts from these muscles. We have total 106 bones in the feet. So भगवान ने इतने सारे अगर दिए हैं तो कोई ना कोई तो मतलब होगा ना. There must be some reason. So when we are walking on these you know, these even surfaces, tiles है, marble है, तो उस जो muscles और bones का exercise नहीं होता है. So what most we can do is, we can't create surfaces for ourselves, right? We cannot create that. तो हमें क्या करना है? Grass is available to us, so we will walk on the grass. Okay, we will change our shoes and chappals. Okay, we will, how many of you all observe that आप लोग जब चलते हो एक चप्पल घिस गया तो वो एक साइड से ज्यादा घिसता है, दूसरे साइड से नहीं घिस रहा है. How many of you all have observed this? That your sandals, it has, got the height of that when you're about to throw it, it has got decreased from one side and the other side, it has not decreased. It happens. Why does it happen? So you can understand the pressure is more on one side and it is less on the other side. आपका जो प्रेशर पूरा बॉडी वेट पड़ रहा है वो एक साइड में ज्यादा पड़ता है, दूसरे साइड में नहीं पड़ता है. Okay, so from today we are going to be aware about such things कि हमें क्या करना है. We have to wear the right kind of shoes. We will spend on our shoes. We will not spend on decorating ourselves, the face. We will do that, but we will also focus on pampering the feet, because it is going to give us happiness. It's not going to take our smiles away when we are in pain. Does everybody agree with me? Give a thumbs up. A big thumbs up from everybody. Okay, excellent. Yes. Okay, so we've talked about alkaline food. We've talked about the shoes that we need to wear. Now we come to the exercise that we need to do. Is everybody with me to do the exercise? Okay, so I'm going to check you all in the video. First, have a look at me, how we are going to do the exercise with awareness. Okay, should we start? A thumbs up. I can see only a few thumbs up. Yes, okay, so everybody is with me. We will start the exercise full of energy and a big smile on everybody's face. Forget your pains are over. Okay? Yes. So I will just show you the video. Okay. How are we going to stand? First and foremost thing, the postural correction. How are we going to stand? Roll your shoulders back. Roll your shoulders back. Lift your spine up. Straight Straight Okay. Okay. So roll your shoulders back. सब लोग shoulders को पीछे करें. Okay. Lift your spine up. Spine को ऊंचा उठाना है. Okay. Now you can take the support of any wall. We are going to do this in a standing way. First, have a look at me. I will give you time to do. You can, then I will switch on your videos and everybody can do it together. Okay. तो हमें awareness के साथ ये pose करना है और आपको force नहीं करनी है body पे. If you cannot do, please don't try to force it. Body is not meant for forces. आपको अपने आप body करने लगेगा, आप उसकी tension मत लीजिए. Okay? So what are we going to do? Roll our shoulders back. Lift the spine up. Okay, how are we going to keep our feet parallel? Are we going to keep it outside like this? No. Okay, we are going to keep the feet parallel. Now we are going to feel the pressure. Where we are going to feel the pressure? Just behind the big toe, the small toe and the heel. Imaginary triangle. आपका पूरा 50-60 kg का weight ये 3 जगह पे पड़नी चाहिए. तो क्या होता है? The weight is getting equally distributed between the left and the right side. As I told you earlier, it begins with the feet and धीरे धीरे जब ये सब काम करना बंद कर देता है वो नी पेन पे आता है. हम समझते हैं हमें नी में पेन है, अरे गैप हो गया, ये हो गया, but we are actually overusing or misusing the muscles. Okay, so now what we are going to do? We are going to lift this leg up. Separate the digits, very very important. And ये नी को आपको खींचना है. Frontal thigh muscles, ये है हमारा frontal thigh muscles. इसको खींचना है, नी को आपको खींचना है. Have you started recording? Yeah. Okay. तो ये आपको खींचना है. Separate the digits. Feel the pressure, the dorsiflexion. What I mean by dorsiflexion is that आपको toes को अपने face के तरफ face कराना है. If you can stand without support, nothing like it. If you cannot stand, please take the support of a wall. Okay. Then the other leg. Lift up the leg as much as you can. Take the support of a chair or a wall, whatever is available. Separate the digits, very, very important. When I take the sessions, I see most people are not even being able to separate the digits. ये जो हमारी पाँव की उंगलियां है उसके बीच में डिस्टेंस भी बहुत लोग नहीं कर पाते, इतना स्टिफनेस चालू हो गया है और ये स्टिफनेस से धीरे धीरे वो ऊपर आता है. ओके एंड रिलैक्स. ओके अगेन आई एम रिपीटिंग, प्लीज डू नॉट फोर्स. वॉट एवर यू कैन डू, enjoy and do with a big smile on your face. And posture correction हम अभी से शुरू कर रहे हैं with rolling your shoulders back and lifting your legs up as much as you can. Suck the kneecap. By sucking the kneecap, I mean उसको आपको quadriceps की तरफ खींचना है. And please do the exercise and write in the chat box what did you feel. With awareness, कौन से मसल पे आपको क्या हुआ? Did you feel anything on the frontal quads, hamstrings में, calf muscle में? किधर भी आपको क्या हुआ है आपको लिखना है चैट बॉक्स में. So please start with a big smile on your face. Start the video. Did you start? I can see a few of them who have started. Where is my space? Stress in lower calf muscles. Okay. Anybody else? Everybody, please try it. No harm trying it. I can see a few smiles. I can't see everybody smiling. Please smile. Pain has already gone. It's gone. Don't think about the pain. 1 hour we are going to smile, we are going to chill out, and we are going to exercise. A few more smiles. I want to see a few more smiles. Okay, stretch on calf muscles. Stress in lower calf. Squat, stress and little pain. Okay. So आप लोग ने कितने लोगों ने अवेयरनेस के साथ, इस अवेयरनेस के साथ योगा किया या एक्सरसाइज किया कि किधर आपको टेंशन आ रहा है, किधर कंप्रेशन आ रहा है? How many of you all have worked on yourself with awareness? Okay, I can see a few hands. Very good, excellent. I'm pleased. Yes. Okay, so some people do work with awareness. That's really good. But आपको अभी नी पेन है तो सिलेक्टिव मसल्स पे फोकस करना है. जहां आपको दर्द है उस पर्टिकुलर मसल्स को आपको अनबैलेंस जो हो गया उसको बैलेंस क्रिएट करना है. अलाइनमेंट गड़बड़ हो गई है, वो अलाइनमेंट वापस लाना है. No worries, ma'am. If you can do with one leg, do it with one leg. Now somebody can tell me, कितने लोग joint pain होता है फिर भी आप लोग force करते हैं योगा? How many of you all force yoga or your teacher says that do it, keep trying? How many of you all? कितने लोग कोशिश करते जाते जबरदस्ती करते हैं? Yes. Okay. Okay. So what I see in my previous sessions also, people keep on forcing a Vajrasan or a Padmasan, even if they are not able to manage. क्या होता है आप जब पद्मासन कर रहे हैं आपका hips should be opened up. जो नहीं कर पा रहा है जबरदस्ती करेगा तो obviously आप अपने लिए इंजरी क्रिएट कर रहे हो. You are not doing any good to yourself. आप जब पद्मासन के लिए पैर उठाते हो in the lotus pose, what happens? आपके नी को और खिंचाव आ रहा है तो पेन उससे बढ़ेगा या घटेगा? Is the pain going to increase or decrease? Are you doing any good to yourself? Yes, little push is required, but you need to do it with props. You should not do it without props. because you already have knee pain, ultimately what will happen if you continue doing like this, you have to go for surgery. So please don't try to force yourself not able to sit in folding legs. That's completely all right, because people who have knee pain should not, even as a preventive, do not try to sit cross-legged. Cross-legged बैठना नहीं है बहुत देर, इवन नॉर्मली लोगों को नहीं बैठना है. ओके क्या होता है, कंप्रेशन और टेंशन नी में आ रहा है जो हम नहीं समझते. ओके सो नाउ आई विल बी शेयरिंग द प्रोग्राम डिटेल्स and then I'll be taking your question and answer. Okay. Okay. So we first start. Okay. So we first start with the program content. Okay. When we are talking about medical knee yoga, what are the things what we are going to cover is, as I explained to you earlier, modified yoga poses. आप योगा poses करेंगे, but उसको props के सहारे, आपके घर पे जो props है उसके सहारे से आपको करना है. You have to work on particular muscles. आपको करना है योगा, but उसको थोड़ा सा हम लोग modify करेंगे. We will modify it. Okay. Special breathing techniques. As I told you when we started the class, we took a deep breath in. What is happening? We will do specific focused breathing for joint pain. Okay. Acupressure points. We will be teaching you acupressure points for your joint pain, so that your knee pain subsides and you are off at least your painkillers. So that is what our motive is, that आप painkiller छोड़ दो और आपके face का smile वापस आए. We just want that your smile should come back, because nobody likes to be in pain. Does everybody agree with me? Okay. Postural awareness and correction. As I told you, the correction needs to be done right from the feet till the hips. We need to correct the posture, which has gone wrong over the years. Specific muscle stretching and strengthening. We need to strengthen and stretch the muscles, specific muscles. Okay, so we have to be very focused about which muscle we are working on. Knee alignment techniques. Kya ho gaya when we have bow legs and we have knock knees? The alignment has gone wrong. Okay. As I told you, when we are walking with our feet outward, we are not aware, but the hip has rotated externally. So automatically the knee has also externally rotated. So the alignment has gone wrong. The line of gravity ka gadbad ho chuka hai. The weight bearing axis needs to be corrected. Then we have customized one-to-one healing session also. Diet and detoxification techniques. So as I said, this medical knee yoga is a holistic way of dealing with the problem. It's right from diet to breathing to exercise to acupressure points and the customized one-to-one healing. Next. Okay, who is this medical yoga for? It is for people who are the self-care types, who want to take care of this, of their own self, who are very, very engrossed in taking their own self-care, don't want to be dependent on anybody. Okay. Knee pain patients looking for conservative methods of treatment. There are many people, you know, who've tried a lot of things, nothing has worked. They're all temporary, and you're also creating more problems for your body. क्योंकि धीरे धीरे करके और chronic ailments होने लगता है. आप weight put on करते हो, चलना बंद होता है, weight put on होता है, weight put on होता है, तो heart की problem शुरू होती है, and the list goes on and on. So when we are doing medical knee yoga, we are looking for conservative methods of treatment, which are safe, non-invasive and harmless. इससे आपका फायदा ही होना है, if you do it with discipline. Nothing will go wrong with you. There are no side effects of these things. People looking for preventives for knee pain. As I told you, the youth is suffering with knee pain, back pain, and a lot of other pains and aches. You'll see hardly anybody who's without pains and aches today, even people in their 30s. So what we are doing, we are looking for preventives. Some people are just looking for preventives for knee pain. So this medical yoga is for them. Next. Okay, so this is taught in 4 classes of 1 hour, 15 minutes each, once a week. Engagement is 1 month and the mode is online, so that people world over can connect and benefit by this online class. Yes. So now the slot, I have kept 2 time slots. One is Thursday. We are starting 14 January, 12 noon and 4 p.m. And the other one is once a week, Saturday, 11 a.m. So people who are like not, for whom it's not convenient on a weekday can join the weekend batch. It's your choice, but it's going to be once a week. You can choose your batch. We will not shift batches that after 2 classes you want it in the evening or on a weekend. That would not be possible. You have to first be firm on your decision which batch you want. Okay. So because you have come to the webinar, you've made the effort. We have a special webinar price valid till 12 January, 12 p.m. That is tomorrow. The special price, the price actually is 2,000, but the special webinar price is 1,500. You can Paytm or Google Pay at the number given, or you can also make a bank account transfer. So whenever you're making the payment, send a screenshot with your name and the batch that you're interested in. Very, very important, so that I will add you onto the WhatsApp group. Okay, thank you so much for listening to me patiently. Now I will answer your questions, and whoever has a doubt, please raise your hand. Okay. Sadhana. Okay. Can you, Sadhana, can you unmute? Unmute her?
Excuse me, can you post the details in WhatsApp group so
Yes,
that we
yes,
can?
I will surely post the details in a WhatsApp group. Okay, I'll take the questions one by one. So please, if everybody asks at the same time, it will be difficult for me to answer. So I will take Sadhana Saraswat's question. Sadhana, you've raised your hands. Okay. Should we take methi water, empty stomach for knee pain? You can take, no problem. Okay. Saraswati.
Sadhana Saraswat.
Yeah, tell me your question, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Can we take lemon water, hot lemon water?
Yes, yes. See, lemon does not make your body acidic. Lemon, even though we feel that it makes your body acidic, it does not. So you can take lemon water. It is very good for your, detoxification also. Tell me.
Excuse me, I'm 68 years now, but will it be of any use to me, these exercises?
There are people who, we had the webinar yesterday, there are people who are as old as 80 and have enrolled for the course, and it is definitely going to benefit you, because the thing is, these are things which you can do at home. You don't need to go anywhere.
When I'm sitting, getting up is very difficult for me, actually.
Yes, that's what I'm saying. See, the stiffness is built because the exercise is not happening properly and the alignment has gone wrong. So we look at it holistically, right?
Okay. Thank you.
Rekha Joshi.
Yes, ma'am. I just wanted to ask you, अगर अपन जो ग्रीन टी लेते हैं तो उससे वर्टिगो का प्रॉब्लम होता है क्या? क्योंकि मुझे ऑलरेडी वर्टिगो है.
नहीं, नॉर्मली तो नहीं होता है, बट जब भी हम जैसे मेथी खाते हैं या कुछ भी खाते हैं ना, हमें पहले देखना है वेदर इट सूटिंग माय बॉडी और नॉट. नथिंग इज यूनिवर्सल फॉर एवरीबॉडी. किसी के बॉडी में बहुत हीट हो जाता है इवन इन द विंटर सीजन विथ मेथी. तो यू हैव टू चेक दैट.
I'm asking about green tea.
हाँ, आई एम सेइंग नॉर्मली फॉर एवरीथिंग. इवन ग्रीन टी किसी
Okay.
किसी को सूट होता है, किसी किसी को नहीं होता है. तो वो आपको खुद को जज करना है. एनीबडी एल्स?
Okay,
चित्रा?
thank you.
नो सॉरी, गुरप्रीत. गुरप्रीत.
हेलो, कविता है यार, आई कैन
Okay.
स्पीक.
ओके.
मैडम, एक बार ये क्लास वीक में एक बन होएगा.
हाँ, वीक में एक सेशन होता है, तो 4 क्लास और एक 1-to-1 हीलिंग भी रहेगा.
ओके,
जिस-
मंथ में मतलब
Excuse me,
एवरी
ma'am.
मंथ 4 क्लासेस.
नॉट एवरी मंथ. एक महीने में 4 क्लास होता है, तो एवरी वीक एक क्लास होगा.
एवरी वीक एक होएगा. अच्छा,
यस.
तो मैडम जैसे मैं 12 का अटेंड कर लूं क्लास, उसके बाद नेक्स्ट क्लास कब?
12 से नहीं, क्लास 14 से शुरू है, तो आपको 14 से फिर नेक्स्ट वीक 21st, फिर 28th और फिर फरवरी के फर्स्ट वीक में होगा.
21st को मैडम मैं इधर हूँ नहीं, तो कैसे एडजस्ट
तो
होगा?
आपको रिकॉर्डिंग मिल जाएगा.
Ma'am.
नहीं तो आपका संडे को
नहीं, देखिए, ये तो ऑनलाइन सेशन है, आप कहीं से भी कनेक्ट कर सकते हो. आप कहीं से भी कनेक्ट कर सकते हो, प्रॉब्लम नहीं है.
Okay.
Ma'am.
Okay, so Manju Purat, can I take your question? Manju Purat,
Yes, ma'am.
yes, can I, you can tell me or whatever question you have.
Am I audible?
Yes,
You
you're
can
audible.
listen me?
Yes, yes.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Nice session. But
Okay.
I'm asking, 4 क्लास में क्या हम सीख लेंगे? Can we
देखिए,
avoid our replacement?
the question is, see, whether you will be avoiding your replacement or not, as I
I
said.
want to.
No. I'm just coming to that. जब हम लोग 4 क्लास लेते हैं ना, तो हफ्ते में एक बार क्लास क्यों लेते हैं? ताकि आप मुझे वो चीज सीखे, पूरा हफ्ता आपको प्रैक्टिस करना है.
हाँ.
ठीक है, क्योंकि ये स्पेसिफिक एक्सरसाइज हम करा रहे हैं, जनरल योगा तो ये है नहीं. ठीक है,
हाँ.
तो जब आप स्पेसिफिक एक्सरसाइज कर रहे हो और वो प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हैं, और 4 सेशन के बाद एक 1-to-1 सेशन मैंने रखा है, तो वो
अच्छा.
1-to-1 सेशन में आप मेरे को करके दिखाओगे कि आपका पोस्चर ठीक हो रहा है या नहीं हो रहा है, और उसमें हम
अच्छा.
आपको थोड़ा हीलिंग भी करवाएंगे. तो उससे क्या होता है कि आपको पूरा बराबर समझ में आएगा, और मुझे भी समझ में आएगा कि आप सही ढंग से कर रहे हो या नहीं कर रहे हो. फिर आपको
अच्छा.
कंटिन्यू करना है वो एक्सरसाइज. और देखिए, ऐसा हम कभी नहीं बोलेंगे कि आपका डिपेंड करता है, वो क्लिनिकली देखना होगा कि आपको और क्या क्या प्रॉब्लम्स है. क्योंकि
अच्छा.
नी पेन है, जैसा कि मैंने बताया, नी पेन सिर्फ नी पेन नहीं होता है, वो बॉडी में एसिडिटी है तो उसके लिए होता है. आपको और क्या क्या इश्यूज है, डायबिटीज है, थायराइड है, और कितने प्रॉब्लम्स है, वो सब मुझे देखने पड़ेंगे. सो दैट्स द
अच्छा.
रीजन आई कैन नॉट से कि आप नी पेन आपका ऑपरेशन आपको कराना ही नहीं पड़ेगा. आपका डेफिनेटली इम्प्रूवमेंट होगा, आपका क्वालिटी ऑफ लाइफ इम्प्रूव होगा. ऑस्टियोआर्थराइटिस जिसको है, उसका फर्स्ट, सेकंड, थर्ड स्टेज जिसको है, उसको इम्प्रूवमेंट होता है. जिसका 4th स्टेज में पहुंच गया, उसको तो ऑपरेशन कराना ही पड़ता है. बट उनके लिए
जैसे अवॉइड ही करना है.
एक मिनट, मुझे खत्म
अवॉइड
करने
ही
दीजिए.
करना.
नहीं, अवॉइड करनी है तो आपको एक्सरसाइज करते रहना है, और आपको होलिस्टिकली उसको डील करना है कि आपको खाने पीने पे ध्यान देना है, ब्रीदिंग करनी
सही.
है. उससे आपको फर्क पड़ेगा. आप कैसे चल रहे हो, कैसे सो रहे हो, कैसे आपको सीढ़ी चढ़ना है, तो आप कैसे प्रेशर दे रहे हो आपकी नी पे, वो सब चीज
सही
पे
बात.
ध्यान देना पड़ेगा.
अच्छा, तो आप उसमें सब में आप कॉन्सेंट्रेट करोगे, जैसे हम
यस,
लोगों की 4
यस,
क्लास.
यस, यस.
अच्छा.
इसीलिए तो 1 घंटा 15 मिनट है, तो वो उसके लिए ही है.
अच्छा. 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 Thank you, ma'am. Nice to see
वेलकम.
you.
Sukanya, can I take your question?
Yeah, this is regarding the medical condition. I mean, I'm little overweight, and because of which I'm not sure whether it is because of that I have knee pain, but I want to walk, but I'm not able to. So it's like a hen chicken, the egg chick kind of a problem. I have to reduce weight, then my knee pain goes, or
Okay.
it has
So
become like
Sukanya, that
for
is
me.
not a worry at all, because most people, with women, what happens after, I don't know what your age is, after 50, what happens, your estrogen level goes down, and then the bone loss starts happening. Okay. So then it's all related. It's all, it's a vicious circle. You're not able to walk, you're putting on weight. I explained it earlier also. तो weight से ज़्यादा, I think what is important is that your muscles should be strong enough to take your weight. There are a lot of people who are very, very fat, but उनको knee pain नहीं होता है. क्यों नहीं होता है? Because their muscles are strong enough to take the weight. I'm not saying that weight is a problem for the knee, but why it does not happen with them and why it happens with some people is that their muscles are strong enough to take the weight. उनका अलाइनमेंट गड़बड़ नहीं हुआ है, उन्होंने कॉन्सेंट्रेट किया है अपने पोस्चर्स के ऊपर, तो इसलिए उनको प्रॉब्लम नहीं हुई है. बट डेफिनेटली यू नीड टू वर्क ऑन योर वेट. That solves half your problem. So that's why we need to do diet and detoxification also. We give you, tips on diet and detoxification in your own way of eating habits. We all have a different eating habits. What are the changes you're going to make so that you can work on your weight as well?
Thank you, ma'am. That helps. Yeah. Thank you.
Bela Raj. Okay, Manju Burad, I've answered your question, I think.
Hello.
Yeah, is this Bela?
Yeah, good evening, Rachna.
Good evening.
Thank you for your information.
Welcome.
I just wanted to inquire that after the sessions or after the workshop that you conduct, will we be getting any sort of, email or everything on the email or recordings or anything of that sort?
You will be getting the recording via WhatsApp or mail also. I can send it to you, not to worry.
Okay, thank you. So you'll be sharing all the payment details on WhatsApp?
Yes, definitely I will be.
Okay, thank you so much. Thank you.
Okay. Preeti Gandhi. Oh, Sukanya, sorry. Sukanya, your question.
No, you answered my question, ma'am. I'm
Okay,
done.
sorry.
My question is done.
Bela
No problem.
Raj wants to talk. Bela, I can take up your question now. Okay. Sangeeta is not done. Sangeeta, you can unmute and ask your question.
दीदी आप कहाँ से हो?
हम पुणे से हैं.
ओके, पुणे मेरी भी डॉटर की अभी शादी हुई है.
अच्छा. Anybody, Sangeeta, your question, please.
मैडम एक वो दूध का ये अमूल ताजा मिल्क काओ का मिल्क ले सकते हैं? काओ का
A2 मिल्क ले तो बेस्ट है.
पर A2 मिल्क अहमदाबाद में तो नहीं मिलता, पता नहीं कहाँ मिलता है. अहमदाबाद में तो कहाँ अवेलेबल है
नहीं, सब
मालूम नहीं है.
जगह आजकल तो सब जगह मिलता है. कंट्री
क्या नाम
डिलाइट
क्या है?
इसमें कंट्री A2.
A2.
Madam, Sangeeta here.
Yeah, tell me.
It was a very nice webinar. I am a doctor by profession.
Okay.
So I already knew a little bit of your talk, but I also suffer from knee pain. I'm 49 years old. I just wanted to know what is your medical qualification? You are into this medicine because the
No,
way you
I
spoke
am,
was very nice.
see, I am not a doctor like you. I am a yoga therapist. I've been into, corporate yoga, and I've taken workshops offline. Because of this pandemic, we've started this online session so that we can help one and many, and, every corner of the country. We can, people who are suffering, and more so because of the pandemic, especially women. So we can
Yes.
help. So I'm a yoga therapist. I'm not a doctor.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Okay. Okay, Saraswati. Saraswati, okay. Anybody else with questions? You
अगर
can write.
क्लास हम टाइम पे ज्वाइन नहीं कर पाएंगे तो हमारे पास वीडियो रहेगा उसका?
हाँ, वीडियो रहेगा उसका।
ओके,
वो हम ऐसे भी भेजेंगे आपको, क्योंकि
Thank you.
आपको देखने के लिए चाहिए ना कि आप एक क्लास में ऑनलाइन क्लास है तो बराबर नहीं समझ पाएंगे, तो आप मेरे से कनेक्ट कर ही सकते हो और रिकॉर्डिंग भी आपको मिलेगा।
थैंक यू।
I just wanted to know, madam.
Yes, tell me. Chitra, right?
Osteoarthritis. Yeah.
Yeah.
Osteoarthritis के लिए भी आप कुछ देंगे एडवाइस कम करने के लिए?
Yeah, osteoarthritis के लिए ही है mainly, because see, rheumatic is an autoimmune disease, right? तो the thing is कि osteoarthritis में ही आप क्या होता है ना, first, second, third stage, I will teach you some rope tractions also, which you can do at home for, जो लोग pose hold नहीं कर पाते, particular muscles को stretch करने के लिए we do this rope traction. So that also I'll be teaching you.
And diet also uska?
Yes. I showed you the program content, no? Everything will be covered.
Thank you.
Okay.
Hello,
You start
ma'am.
on.
Good evening.
Good evening. Who's this? Can you please tell your name?
Yeah, I'm Anu Surana, and I am so sorry. I just missed your whole the session. I was out. So
No
could you
problem.
please
I'll
tell
send
me?
you the
I
record.
really want.
Tell me.
Okay. And your contact number and everything is there.
Yeah.
If I
I'll
want
write
to-
my contact number here as well. You all can note it down. So you all can, that is my WhatsApp number also. And whoever wants to Google Pay or Paytm, you can also do it at this number.
Okay.
Okay?
That's
If
so
you
nice
have
of
any
you.
question, you can always ask me.
I really have a pain in my knee, my right knee, and it's not only the knee, it's in the leg. It's in the whole leg.
Yeah.
Excuse me, ma'am.
This is Anu, right? Yeah.
Switch on the video.
No,
Oh,
yeah, switch on the
okay.
video. Switch on the video, no problem.
Yeah, it's not.
Okay.
I think it's not
Okay.
working.
Just a sec. You can say in the meantime. Yes. Yeah. Now you can start your video.
Yeah, I can see you.
Yeah.
I did.
Anu?
I did it. Yeah.
No.
Hi.
Yeah. Hi.
I'm from Amritsar, Punjab.
Okay. Tell me. Punjabi Kudi.
So, yeah, Punjabi Kudi. Not Kudi anymore. Yeah. So, it's like this. I am thyroid patient also, and for past a year, like I have a pain in my knee as well. I basically I think it's a sciatica. It's going from my backbone till my feet.
Okay.
But now we have too much of cold nowadays, so there's a very too much of pain in my knee nowadays.
So joint pain is more in the winter season, no? It is definitely more in the winter season. We all experience that back pain, knee pain. This happens. Even people who have rheumatic arthritis and fingers and all. Especially when you get up in the morning, it's like bad.
In the morning.
So the thing is,
I am doing yoga.
You are doing
past
yoga.
6 months. Yes.
Okay.
So it is really helping me, and I'm trying to give more strength to my muscles, my thigh and my calf muscles. I'm trying to work on it,
Okay.
and I'm improving my diet also with vitamin D and calcium. And
But see, because you have thyroid, so what happens for thyroid people? The calcium does not, get absorbed in the body, and small crystals form. I don't know whether your doctor has told you that or not. So the thing is, you are having your calcium, but whether it's getting absorbed or not, that is the question, right? So you have to keep that in mind, that you have to work on it holistically, right? And calcium, one thing which I will tell to all the participants, you can take a lot of sesame seeds. That helps you absorb the calcium in your body. And especially in the winter season, हम लोग तिल की चीजें खाते हैं. All of us Indian. हाँ?
Sesame seeds?
Yeah, sesame seeds. तिल. अभी संक्रांति आ रही है तो उसमें तिल की चीजें बनती हैं. So please try to have til.
Okay.
Okay. Huh? Pardon me? Anu, I can't hear you.
Someone is there with the.
Yeah, tell me now.
It's a tuna.
Yes. Huh? What?
वो जो पान के अंदर चूना नहीं.
Yes.
पान के अंदर चूना.
Yes.
Do you think it's safe to take that?
Yeah.
Source of a calcium.
Yes. People do take that. But मेरे ख्याल से I think, a lot of everything that you take, whether it's medicine or whatever, you should give a break. जैसे 1 महीने लिए, फिर 15 दिन 20 दिन छोड़ दिया, फिर चालू किया. Because over of everything is bad in our body. You just require the right amount. Nothing should be over. Even good things, if you do too much, it is bad for your body. So that.
Yeah. Okay, I would like to
Pardon me, could you please come again?
Yeah, I said I would like to hear this webinar again. So I think so my whole questions will be more clear.
Okay, no problem. You can connect with me on WhatsApp also if you have any other queries. Everybody, जिसका भी कोई भी और question अगर बाद में भी आपको लगता है, please feel free to contact me. That is no worries.
Thank you so much. It's so nice of you.
Welcome.
And it's nice meeting you, Rachna ji. It's
Me too. Okay.
Rachna.
Yeah, tell me. Yeah.
Hello.
Yeah, Lalita ji, right?
Hello.
Yeah, tell me. Who's this?
Renu Prasad. Hello.
Yeah, tell me, Renu Prasad.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
Good evening. क्या खट्टी चीजें नी पेन को बढ़ा देती हैं खट्टी चीजें खाने से?
Yes. क्योंकि आपके बॉडी की एसिडिटी लेवल बढ़ा रही है.
अच्छा.
इसलिए इमली वगैरह नहीं खाना चाहिए. नहीं, लेमन बॉडी को नहीं, बिल्कुल ही नहीं. आपको लेमन जो है वो एसिडिटी नहीं बढ़ाती है. वो जो नींबू होता है, दैट इज अ मिसकंसेप्शन वी हैव. नींबू पानी सुबह पीना इज वेरी वेरी गुड. आपकी गट के लिए अच्छा है, आपका फ्लश ठीक से होता है.
ओके.
यस ललिता जी.
Madam, are we starting on 14th or?
Yes, we are starting on 14th.
No, there was a slot on Saturday.
Yes, there is a slot on Saturday as well as on Thursday because people who cannot come on the weekend.
Yeah, because 14th happens to be Pongal for us down here.
No problem. You can take the Saturday batch if you want.
Saturday. Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Welcome. So I think we've come. Yeah, tell me. Who's this?
Hello.
Yeah,
I'm Usha.
Yeah, Usha, tell me.
Yeah, मेरी mother 75-year-old है. Hello.
हाँ, tell me.
तो उनका घुटना जो ऊपर का जो 2 कैप्स रहते हैं ना, वो ऊपर का कैप्स थोड़ा टेढ़ा हो गया है. सीधा रहता है ना एक के ऊपर एक.
हाँ.
वो थोड़ा टेढ़ा है, तो वो खड़े नहीं रह पाती, चल नहीं पाती है. डॉक्टर ऑपरेशन को बोला था, क्योंकि अभी उनको COPD का भी प्रॉब्लम है. तो अभी 2 ईयर से तो बहुत टाइम वो मतलब ICU में रही ऐसे ज्यादा टाइम. तो अभी उनका वेट भी बढ़ गया.
हाँ, वो देखिए वो तो
चल नहीं पाती, खड़े नहीं.
वो तो देखिए नॉर्मली है क्योंकि लोग वो मैंने क्या बताया आपको, विशियस सर्कल है. एक चीज से दूसरा चीज रिलेटेड होता जाता है.
हाँ, उसके फिर क्या ऐसे सेडेंटरी लाइफस्टाइल से क्या हो जाता है, मतलब अभी वो मूवमेंट नहीं कर पाती हैं, कुछ कर नहीं पाती हैं, तो थोड़ा शुगर, थोड़ा थायराइड, इस टाइप का BP, ये सब प्रॉब्लम होते जा रहा है फिर.
हाँ, नहीं वो तो होता ही
कर सकते हैं क्या?
देखिए हमारे प्रोग्राम को अगर आप चाहें तो आप एनरोल कर सकती हैं उनको. तो उसमें क्या होगा, हम कुछ एक्यूप्रेशर पॉइंट्स बताते हैं, कुछ एक्सरसाइज जो हमारे मैंने बैच में जिन्होंने इनरोल किया कल जब सेशन हुआ था, तो देयर आर पीपल ऑफ ऑल एज ग्रुप, 70-75 ईयर ओल्ड भी हैं। तो हम लोग ऐसे आपको एक्सरसाइजेस करवाएंगे जिससे आपको आराम ही मिलेगा। हम नहीं बोल रहे कि उनका ऑपरेशन रुक ही जाएगा, वो क्लिनिकली देखना पड़ेगा, बट द थिंग इज उनका क्वालिटी ऑफ लाइफ बेटर हो जाएगा।
थिंग क्या है कि मैं एक्चुअली थाने में रहती हूँ, मेरी
अच्छा।
मदर मुलुंड में रहती है।
अच्छा।
यू नो मुलुंड एंड थाने। या मुलुंड में जो मेरे अदर सिस्टर है वो उनका जॉब है।
अच्छा।
तो वो अवेलेबल नहीं रहती। जैसे आपका थर्सडे को आप बोल रहे हैं 4 PM एंड 12 PM को, तो उनका फिर वेबिनार और स्कूल में जाना रहता है,
तो सैटरडे कर सकती है।
हाँ, तो वही स्कूल रहता ही है उनका, CBSE बोर्ड का है सब। तो
अच्छा।
उनको कभी भी जाना पड़ता है, आउट ऑफ
नहीं
स्टेट
तो
भी जाना
फिर
पड़ता
देखिए
है
ये
sometimes।
ऑनलाइन सेशन है, तो आप भी ज्वाइन करके उनको बता सकते हो ना।
हाँ, तो वही मेरा, मैं कैसे, मतलब आई एम नॉट देयर, आई एम लिविंग टोटली इन मतलब डिफरेंट एरिया।
नो इट डजंट मैटर विथ एरिया, बिकॉज ऑनलाइन है ना ये, तो एरिया से तो कोई मतलब ही नहीं है। ये फिजिकल क्लासेस तो है नहीं, ये ऑनलाइन है।
तो उनको कुछ फर्क पड़ेगा क्या? क्योंकि मैं फिर सिस्टर से बात करती हूँ, अगर वो रिकॉर्डिंग भी उनके यहाँ जाएगा।
देखिए वो अगर करेंगी तो उनको फर्क तो जरूर पड़ने वाला है, बट उनको करना पड़ेगा। तो वो तो देखिए हम गारंटी नहीं ले सकते हैं कि वो करें तो उनको फर्क 100% पड़ेगा।
हाँ, तो धीरे धीरे थोड़ा थोड़ा मूवमेंट भी होता था। अभी कोरोना की वजह से कैसे उनका थोड़ा मूवमेंट भी बंद हो गया है अभी।
हाँ, नहीं वो नॉर्मली सभी का वही प्रॉब्लम हो गया है।
हाँ, क्योंकि हॉल में अदर्स लोग आते हैं जाते, तो एक ही रूम में वो बैठे रहती है, मतलब किसी की हेल्प के थ्रू वो चलती है, मतलब वो स्टैंड लेके जो आगे का वो जो रहता है ना,
हाँ, नहीं
वो
सही
लेके
बात है।
चलती है वो भी।
आप एक बार डिसीजन ले लीजिए क्या करना है, उसके बाद यू
अच्छा,
कैन कनेक्ट विद मी।
तो आपका वेबिनार ऐसे अदर मतलब छुट्टियों में भी होता होगा ना, मई वे में ऐसा
हाँ
चलेगा?
कंटिन्यूअस हर मंथ में होएगा ही।
ठीक है, फिर आपका नंबर भेज दीजिएगा तो मैं मेरी सिस्टर को भेज दूंगी, तो आपसे
ठीक है, वो आप ग्रुप
कांटेक्ट
पे
कर
हो ना,
लेंगे।
आप ग्रुप पे हो तो वहां पर नंबर आ जाए। ठीक है,
आपका नंबर आ जाएगा ना? ठीक है,
हाँ
ठीक है, मैं बोल दूंगी उससे बात करने के लिए।
ठीक है,
ओके, थैंक यू।
ओके, थैंक यू।
आपका मेरा हाफ एन आवर का मिस हो गया स्टार्टिंग का, आपने क्या बताया पता
ठीक
नहीं।
है, अब रिकॉर्डिंग हम भेजेंगे तो आप देख लीजिएगा, अपनी
अच्छा,
किस सिस्टर को
भेजेंगे।
भी
ओके
भेज
ओके
दीजिए।
ओके।
ओके,
अच्छा, ठीक है। ओके ओके, थैंक
thank you
यू,
so
थैंक यू मैम।
okay, so we've come to the end of this session and I've sent my WhatsApp, Paytm and GPay number. Now if anybody wants the bank account number for transfers, I will send it on the WhatsApp and then you can take it from there. Okay, somebody has a question. Can you suggest any type of seating for people with sedentary work to avoid slouching? Okay, see, you have to focus on the ergonomically done chairs. Okay. So Rupal, you have to search for, ergonomically made chairs, which is very, very important. But more important thing is that you have to be aware of your own body, your own posture. Nobody can do anything about it unless and otherwise you are aware of your own self. So I call it a day to now. So good night, everybody. Okay. So Roshan Kurani has said it's swollen at the side of knee. So if you want, you can join the session and then connect with me. So we will try to take care of all the problems that you are suffering and try to bring back smile on all of your faces. Thank you so much. Namaste.